honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, me and Walter just got in. I didn't film our out and about, but I was supposed to make some jerk wings. They marinating. I ain't making nothing. I'm going to, I bought a home run in pizza. The ultra thin crust, sausage and pepperoni. This is the only time I like pepperoni, when it's on this pizza. I'm not a fan. I'll be cooking it in my COSORI air fryer oven. Right here. So, I just put it on the pizza setting, pizza function. So I'm going to press start. So right now it's preheating. Let me turn the light on. It's preheating. There should be a pull tab. Or it says open here. You know, pull tab. No pull here. No. Well, it is perforated. I'm just finding out. That's how it looks. Really, really thin. Okay. I'm going to doctor this up and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to doctor this pizza up. You know, I put the jalapeno peppers on here first. Pepper slices. Trying to shake the juice off. Okay, that's good. Putting some pizza blend cheese on it. It has mozzarella and cheddar.
I thought you was cooking chicken.
I'm filming.
Huh?
I'm filming. You know I don't cook when I've been shopping.
Oh, God. So what am I supposed
Some pizza.
to do? I don't.
You do want some. You know you like this.
No, I don't.
You do.
Man, let me get me some out somewhere.
Okay, we're going to sprinkle some black pepper.
This thing wasn't even closed.
Some red pepper. That wasn't closed.
No, open up too cool. Too much junk in here, yeah. No, I didn't close. What do you got in here?
I got some basil. I'm going to
It ain't closed.
sprinkle some basil leaves on here.
Should be closed more than that.
That's good. Some oregano. And a little parsley. I don't even see what flavor the parsley adds. It just looks pretty. Okay, now the oven is preheated, so I can add the pizza in there. Okay, now press it again so it can start cooking. So it set itself for 15 minutes for 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I'll be back. And once again, it's the Chicago's Home Run In pizza. Okay, y'all, this pizza looks done. I like that amount of brownness on the cheese. And it took 10 minutes because it was set for 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop that. I always cut my box open like this. Here's the pizza peel. Let's see the crust. Well, the cheese is like I like it, so I ain't worried about the crust. Close this. Good. Okay. Pizza smells so good. I'm gonna cut it. I'm using this old tripod. Oh, the crust is crispy. And I'm not cutting slices, I'm going to cut it in little pieces. Talking about what he don't want. I bet he eat it, but he gonna pick off all the good stuff. He'll like the sauce and the cheese and the crust. So this is Home Run In sausage and pepperoni thin crust pizza. Close up. Okay, here's my pizza. I'm gonna get a couple more pieces, I'm sure. Let's see what's left out. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. People get mad when I don't taste it. This is hot. I'm trying to burn my taste buds off. I'm going to taste some of this cheese that's shrinking. The cheddar and that mozzarella go so well together. And I doctored it up. Oh, wow. Okay, y'all know what pizza tastes like. That's how mine looks. I'm about to get my eat on. Bye, and be blessed.